Everyone, so today we're going to get some miscellaneous tasks done. The first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to run white wave petunias along this border. I feel like with the cosmos in here in the shades of pink that it might be overwhelming if I put another color in here. So I'm going to run wave petunias along the front here. And I kind of want to run something along the back behind the tulips too, because when they die back, I'm going to cut them all down and I need something to fill that gap. But we're going to start with the wave petunias first. So I'm just going to go and mark out the ends and then I will put them down where I'm going to put them. And you can see what I have right here for wave petunias. This is Easy Wave. I got these at Walmart. And they should be gorgeous. So let's get them in. So the white petunias, white wave petunias are all in and they look good. Took me a little bit to get them spaced right and they're fairly even, although they're a little wonky with their shape, but they're in there to calm things down. And then there's pink, mixed pink cosmos, so magentas, pinks, light pinks. And then of course we got the tulips and the alliums, which are just starting to pop out. The only thing about the tulips and alliums I'm noticing is I'm seeing some yellow in here, and there was not supposed to be any yellow in here. So we'll see how they turn out, but I'm definitely seeing some yellow, and I'll show you what I mean. Because as they grow up, to me they're looking more yellow. I'm hoping they're going to change, but don't you think that looks yellow? To me that's yellow. They all should look like this. Which I think is absolutely exquisite, but we'll see. Time will tell. Another few days and we'll see if any bloom yellow. Maybe it'll be really pretty mixed with orange and yellow. I don't know. It happens where you buy stuff and the packages get mislabeled and then you get them home and it's like, that's not what I planted or what I hope to plant. I've been working in this corner and what I can tell you is all the hollyhocks I planted here never came back. So I'm going to put some cosmos in here because I need some different colors. A lot of yellow in here. So I'm going to put Pallador mix in along the back of the fence for some color. The cosmos are all in back there, and I'm going to put this Graceful Grasses by Proven Winners in here, and I'm going to run some grasses in this bed that are annual to give some interest to the bed, and I like it because it has the red in it, so that should be cool. And I just moved that lime daylily there. It was over in the corner over here, not doing anything. I need to get in there and clean that out, but I wanted to move it and give it a chance so it doesn't get ran over by the lawnmower, and give it a chance to grow here. So I'm going to put this in next, and then I'm going to come back and put some lupins in that corner. Now, because there's so much yellow with the potentillas in this corner, and then there's plants in the back that have yellow, we have hydrangeas there, and we've added some orange, and I've added some mixed zinnias in here. I feel like I need a pop of brilliant color. So that is going to be Purple Prince zinnia. I'm going to put just in a circle right there to give that oomph that this bed needs with the yellow. I found the lupins in there in the back corner where I don't believe I have anything planted. I know I did put some zinnias in there, but I'm hoping that they're fairly close together there and I didn't trample on them too much. Now I want to put something in this edge, and I have just the spotted color in mind. I have Dusty Rose petunias. Aren't they pretty? These are just regular petunias, and I'm just going to scatter them in here for some color. The yellow should offset the potentillas, and then it should bring the purples of the grass and everything together and be just beautiful. I think they're really pretty, and they have the chance of going chartreuse to a shade of pink. So we'll see what they do in the sun. This is a perfect area for them. See here how I'm going to place them in the bed. I think that'll look really pretty, so let's get them in. That pot, oh my god, I can't say it. That pop of color is just what this bed needed. Check them out. I really like that. This is something new I haven't seen before, at least not here. And I just think they're gorgeous. Now, normally I would come through here and pick all the flowers off so that it sends down roots. But I'm not really feeling it today. I kind of want to enjoy them. So I'm going to leave them be. And then I'm going to plant some more stuff because I have a corner right here that needs some love. Don't know that Ganzia will survive. It's the daylight color. It's kind of limp, but I'm going to give it some water and see if I can get them going in here. I think once they root, they'll be okay, but you just never know. All right, time to move on in the bed and put some other stuff in. But first I need to clean out. So what I'm doing is I'm basically cleaning out the beds as I go and then planting at the same time and edging. I'm multitasking. That way I get a section completely done and I know exactly what I've done some planting and stuff in it, so I don't have to come back and revisit it. I am finding the odd lily bulb that has been chewed up when I'm going through here. So that's kind of sad, but squirrels will be squirrels. So let's keep going. So I put the Dalmatian foxglove here. It needed to get in the ground. I put it around the lime daylily beside the Gazanza. Over here I put 3 English lavender that I grew from seed. I don't have very many of them because it didn't do that great, but I can tell you they smell already. So that's kind of cool. And I think I got a bit of a mess going on over here. Rob moved my trellis where I had my sweet peas, so I'm waiting to see where the sweet peas are if they come up, because there's nothing on that trellis. So I actually might have to go pick up another package of sweet peas and quickly soak them and throw them in, because I need something on that trellis. So I'm assuming that's the one he moved. I might have to double check that, but yeah, I warned him that there was plantings there, but he wanted them all spaced out evenly, and I get that totally. Not always the best for wanting to space stuff out evenly. I'm more one that I like it a little bit on the irregular side of things, but I mean, I get the point, and he probably made things look better for it, so bless his little heart. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Lots of miscellaneous stuff getting planted and more to come. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.